in this video, I'm going to show you how to check poll results on Snapchat. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Snapchat on your device. Now in here, go ahead and create a poll. Now to create a poll, go ahead and take a photo. Now in here, go ahead and click on the third tool, and this will allow you to add the poll on your photo. Click on poll and this will be added to your photo. Now in here, you'll need to add the description for your poll. You can enter any description in here depending on what type of poll are you aiming to for your Snapchat story. Now once you're done, click on the back icon and fix the placing of your poll. Now click on story to make this as your Snapchat story. Click on add to confirm this. Now in here, go ahead and head over to your Snapchat story by clicking on the top left of your screen. Now in here, scroll down and you'll be able to find the My Story section. Click on your story and this will allow you to view how many individual has already seen your story and the tally for the poll that you've created as a Snapchat story. Now in this section, you'll be able to find those individuals who click like or dislike on your poll. And that's how you can simply check your poll results on Snapchat. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.